evening. Welcome to News 24 Kharbi Anglong. I am Beauty Rompipi. 5 houses had been destroyed by wild jumbo yesterday night at Meji Mokhi village. West Kharbi Anglong under Bithun constituency, there has been continuous conflict between human being and wild jumbo nowadays. As per our information, 5 houses had been destroyed by wild jumbo at Meji Mokhi village around 12:30 am at midnight, and not only their houses had been destroyed, but all their paddy had been eaten away by the wild elephants. And when the elephant destroyed their houses, suddenly the child got nervous and ran for their life, but he suddenly fell under the elephant's feet. But he was luckily escaped from the elephant. So the owner of the house, who had been got destroyed by the wild jumbo, pleads Kharbi Anglong Autonomous Council (CAM) for compensations.